Hi children, good morning to you all. So today we are going to start our chapter on algebraic expression and identities. So do you remember children in grade 7 we have learned about algebraic expressions. So in there we have learned the difference between equation and expressions and how to find the solutions. Then what is mean by coefficient, all these terms, and how to substitute the values in equation and how to verify the equations. All these things we have learned in the grade 7, right? So here you are going to study the in introduction part, the same thing what you have learned in grade 7, the same thing you are going to see. What is coefficient, what is like terms, what is unlike terms, what is equation, what is expression, all these things we'll be learning. And here you are going to study about how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication operations in equation. In expressions, how you are going to do this calculation part, you are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, so in this chapter, I'll make it very simple. I'll just explain only the basic concept of this chapter. Okay, so just you have to understand how to multiply the terms, how to add the terms, and how to subtract the terms. You will be learning in this chapter. Is it clear, children? So now let's continue the session. Okay, let's see the introduction part. Okay, already these terms you have learned in your previous year, but again we'll recall it. Okay, so in this chapter also there is equation, expression, coefficient. So already you have learned. So we'll just revise it. So what is equation, children? If I'm writing 2x plus 4y, whether it is an equation or expression, children, it is an expression. Why? Equation means you will have an equality symbol equal to and a constant. In equation, always there will be an equal to symbol. Okay, expression means I can write 4y. This is also an expression. If I am writing 4y plus 10, this is also an expression. If I am writing 3z, it is also an expression. What is coefficient, children? Finding the numerical value, or sometimes you will have an like this. Just see an example. I'm writing 3ab. I'm asking write the coefficient of b. Then what you will write? 3a is a coefficient of b. If they are asking write the numerical coefficient, write the numerical coefficient means we'll write only the numbers. For example, I'm writing 4y. Write the coefficient of y. Then 4. 4 is a numerical coefficient of y. Then what is like terms and unlike terms? So I'm going to write an equation. I'm going to write an equation. 2x plus 3y square plus 4x. So in this equation, in this expression, can you write the like terms and unlike terms? Here 2x and 4x are like terms. Why? They have the same variable, right? Like terms means they'll have the same variables. So 2x and 4y are the like terms, and unlike terms 3y square. 2x and 3y square are the unlike terms, or we can say 3y square and 4x are the unlike terms. So if we have the same variable, then we can just make it together. It will be a like terms. Unlike term means the variables will be different. So what is monomial, binomial and trinomial? So already you know. What is monomial, children? Monomial means you will have only one term. Monomial means you will have only one term. For example, I am writing 2x. This is a monomial. If I am writing 4z plus 7. This is binomial. I have two terms, 4z and 7. So terms means 4z is one term, 7 is the next term. Okay. So monomial means it will have only one term. Monomial means we will have only one term. Binomial means two term, and trinomial means three term. I can write 2x plus 3y plus 4z. This is trinomial. I have three terms. So generally we will say it as polynomial. Polynomial means mostly generally we'll call all the equation as polynomial, but more than three terms means we'll call it as polynomial. More than three terms means we'll call it as polynomial, but generally I can say 2x is a polynomial, 4z plus 7 is also a polynomial, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is also a polynomial. Generally we can call all the expressions or equation as polynomial. If particularly I want to name it, if there is only one term, we can say it as monomial. If there is two term, we can say it as a binomial. If there is three term, we can say it as trinomial. And more than three terms, we'll call it as polynomial. But generally, we can call all the equation as polynomials. Is it clear, children? So this is an introduction part of this chapter. So you want to know about equation and expression. You want to find the difference between equation and expression. Then now you know about coefficient, how to identify the coefficient from the equation or expression. Then you know to identify the like terms and like and unlike terms in an equation. Then you know what is monomial, what is binomial, what is trinomial and polynomial. Is it clear, children? So these are the basics of this chapter. This definition is very important because for one mark question we can get from this introduction part, theory part. Okay. Now let's do the calculation part. How to do addition and subtraction in an equation. Okay. So addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Usually how you will do. This is row method, right? Usually the previous year you have learned like this. If I'm writing 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay. So if I'm asking to add 7x square minus 4x plus 5, I want to add with 9x minus 10. So how you will be doing this? You will be putting the plus symbol. You will start the bracket and you will write 9x minus 10. 9x minus 10. Next what you will be doing? You will be writing 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Then I want to remove the bracket, right? So no symbol means it is positive, right? So plus into plus, plus, right? Plus 9x, then plus into minus, minus, minus 10. Then what you will be doing, children? You will be bringing all the like terms together. Then you will do the addition operation, right? So I'm writing whether any x square term is there. No, there is only one x square term. So I'll be writing 7x square. Then whether any x term is there, yes, you have there 2x term. So you can write 4x plus 9x. Then you have a constant term. So write the constant term together. Plus 5 and minus 10. Is it clear, children? I think this method you all are familiar because you have done many problems based on this. So the same addition operation only here you will be doing in a row method. Okay. Now only once x square term. So write it. You don't want to do any addition or subtraction. So minus 4x and plus 9x. So here you will be applying the integers rule. So plus and minus. Plus and minus means what, children? You will do the subtraction, different sign. So you will do the subtraction and you will be writing the greater number symbol. You will be doing subtraction and you will be writing the greater number symbol. So 9 minus 4, what is the answer, children? 5, right? So whether I'll write plus 5 or minus 5, children, here which is greater? 4 is greater or 9 is greater? 9 is greater, right? So what is the symbol for 9? Positive or negative? Positive. So we'll be writing plus 5. So we'll be writing plus 5x. And again, plus 5 and minus 10. So what you will do? Different sign. So you will be doing subtraction. So 10 minus 5, 5. Whether 5 is greater or 10 is greater, 10 is greater, right? So what is the symbol for 10? Minus. So we'll write minus 10 minus 5, 5. Look at here. you are getting the same answer, right? If you do in a row method, or if you do this method, you'll be getting the same answer. So in grade 7 you have learned this method. So in this chapter you are going to learn how to do the addition or subtraction operation in row method. So here you are going to do addition. You are going to do addition. The question they are asking, add 7x square minus 4x plus 5 and 9x minus 10. So you are going to add. So first write down the first equation. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. So first write down the first equation as is. No changes. 7x square minus 4x plus 5. And in the second equation, whether any x square term is there, no, there is no x square term. So leave it as blank. Okay, leave it as blank. And whether any x term is there, yes. So write down 9x below 4x because this is a x term. Next, whether any constant term is there in the second equation, yes. We have minus. So write down below this constant. Now do the addition operation. So here when you do addition operation, just what the integers rule will be applying. Okay. So 5 5 and 10. So plus and minus. So the same thing. Plus and minus means what you will do? You will do subtraction and you will write the greater number symbol. So 10 minus 5, 5. 10 is greater number. What is the symbol? Minus. So write there minus. Now minus 4x and 9x. So no symbol means meaning is positive, right? So 9 minus 4, 5. So plus 5x. 9 is greater, so that symbol plus 5x. And here no x square term. 7 minus 0, 7x square. Okay. So here when you write down the terms, you have to write it like terms, you have to write it together. So no x square term, so we'll leave it. We will not write 9x here because this is x square term. This is x term. So we'll write the like terms like below. 4x is 4x and 9x are the like terms. So we'll write the 9x below 4x. Okay, we will not write in the x square term. This is separate. X square is different, x is different. Okay, this is how we will be doing the addition operation. So if you have a polynomial equation, maybe 3 or 4 terms, means the same method you have to apply it. Okay, so this is how you will be doing an addition operation for algebraic expression. The same pattern you can follow if it is if the equation consists of 6 terms or 7 terms. The same method you follow it. Write the like terms together and add it. Is it clear, children? Now let's see the subtraction. How we are doing subtraction in an algebraic expression. So here subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. So look at here, children. For example, if I am writing subtract 7 from 10. If I am writing subtract 7 from 10, then how you will subtract, children? You will write 10 first. From 10 you want to subtract 7, right? So I'll write 10 minus 7. The same method only we are following here. You want to subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from this term. So we'll write this equation first. So first copy down this equation, no changes. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Now write down the second equation. 5x square. So whether any x square term is there? Yes. The first term, right? So we'll write here x square. Then minus y square. Where is y square term? This is y square term, right? So we'll write minus y square. Below this 8y square. Next 6y. Whether any y term is there? Yes, here you have y term. So write down the 6y below this minus 3. Next constant term. So whether any constant is there in the first equation, there is no constant term in the first equation. So we'll write it here. At the last you will write it. Okay, since in the first equation there is no constant term, So we'll write it separately minus 3. For example, if I am writing any z square term. So in the first equation, whether any z square term is there? No, there is no z square term in the first equation. So I'll write it. I cannot write below any of this term because z square is separate. So I'll write at the last. Again, I'll add one more term z square. So if the term which is not there in the first equation, you can write it at the last. Is it clear, children? Now, in the subtraction, one thing you have to keep in your mind. In addition, just we will write it down and we will add. But in subtraction, for the second equation, we will be changing the sign. So in the subtraction, what you have to keep in mind? In second equation, we will change the sign. Second equation, we will change the sign. So here for 5x square, if no symbol, right? No symbol means it's a positive number, right? So this is positive 5x square. So this plus you have to change it to minus, right? The opposite. Here minus y square. So you will change this minus to plus. And for this 6y, it is positive number, change it to negative. Minus 3. So it is minus, so change it to plus. So just change the sign. If plus means change it to minus, minus means change to positive number. Okay. So in subtraction, what is one thing you are going to do? You are going to change the sign of the second equation. Just write the opposite sign. Plus means minus, minus means plus. Okay. Then you are going to do the operation. So now this is minus 5x square, right? Minus 5x square and minus 5x square and plus 7x. So minus and plus, right? Minus and plus. Minus and plus means we will do subtraction and you will write the greater number symbol. So here also we are following the integers rule. There is no change. We are following the integer rule. But in subtraction, we will change the sign of the second equation. Okay. So minus and plus minus. 7 minus 5. What is the answer, children? 7 minus 5, the answer is 2, right? So 7 is a greater number. So plus 2x square. Now whether any x square term, xy term is there? No. So write down minus 4xy. Then plus 8y square and plus 4y square. So both are plus. So we'll add it and we will write the positive symbol. So plus 8 plus 4, 12y square. Then any x term is there, children? There is no x term. So write down 5x plus 5x. Then minus 3y and minus 6y. So we have changed this plus to minus, right? So it becomes minus 3y and minus 6y. So both are minus, same sign, right? Both are minus and same sign. Same sign means what you will do? You will add it and you will write the negative symbol, right? So 6 plus 3, 9. And both are minus, so we'll write minus 9y. Then there is in the first term whether any positive number is there? No. So we will write there 3. So if you want, we can put here 0, right? If there is no term 0, but don't want, children, don't want to add that 0, just you write it down. So here the first term there is no constant term. So 0 minus 3 means plus 3, sorry, plus 3, because we are changing this minus 3 to plus, right? So there is no other constant term, so write down the positive 3 there, plus 3. Okay, so what is the answer? We are getting 2x square minus 4xy plus 12y square plus 5x minus 9y and plus 3. So in the subtraction, what you want to keep in mind? You want to change the sign of the second equation and you want to apply the integer. Is it clear, children? Now let's see the next part. The next one is you are doing multiplication. So multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. So generally we'll call all the expression as a polynomial, right? So you are going to multiply the monomial. So a single term equation with a polynomial. Maybe it is 2 terms or maybe 3 or 4. So whatever it may be. So Look at here. You have a monomial 3x. You are going to multiply 3x with 5y plus 2. So 3x multiplication means what symbol you will be using? Into. Write down. This 3x will be common for this 2y and 5y and 2, right? So 3x is common for this 5y as well as 3x is common for this 2. Okay, so that's why 3x into, start the bracket, and inside the bracket you will be writing 5y plus 2. 3x into 5y. 3x into 5y. And what is the symbol here? Plus. So write down the plus. Next, 3x into 3x into 2. 3x into 2. Now here x and y term. Multiplication means for only for addition and subtraction we have to do the operation for the like terms, and only for the, if x means we have to add only with x term. If y means we have to add only with the y term. So for multiplication just we can make it together x term and y term. No problem. Here constant, we'll multiply the constant. Okay. 3 into y, sorry, 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. So x into y, xy. X into y, so we'll write like this, right? Xy means what is the meaning? Xy means x into y. We have learned already this, right? So same way, x into y we can write it as xy. Just we'll multiply the constant and we will write down the variables together. Now 3x into 2. So 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. So here when any other variable is there? No. So we'll write x. Is it clear, children? So first you will write down the monomial, then multiplication. So into symbol, we'll start the bracket and write down the next term. So here it is a binomial, only two terms. So 5y plus 2. So this 3x will be common for this 5y and also for 2. So we have to multiply it separately. So 3x into 5y. What is the symbol here? Addition or subtraction plus symbol. If it is a minus symbol, then we have to write a minus. So plus 3x into 2. Just multiply the constant term. 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. X into y, xy. Plus 3 2s are 6. X into any other variable is there? No. So 6x. So we got the answer. Is it clear, children? Next one. X minus 4 and 2x plus 3. We'll see one more example. So the first term is a binomial and second term is also a binomial. So we are going to multiply two polynomials. We are going to multiply two polynomials. So first write down the first term. X minus 4. Multiplication means what is the symbol you will be using? Into 2x plus 3. So first you have to multiply with this first term. So this x minus 4 is common for this 2x plus 3. You want to multiply each terms. So first you take the first term. Here you have how many terms? Here you have two terms. This is the first term and this is the second term. First you are going to multiply with the first term. So first you will multiply with x into 2x. X into 2x. Okay, first if you want you can write it down. X into, this x is common for this 2x plus 3 term. We have to multiply x with this 2x and 3. So if you want you write one more step like this. X into 2x plus 3. X into 2x plus 3. Next minus 4. Minus 4 into 2x plus 3. Okay, we are going to multiply this x minus 4 with this term 2x plus 3. So first you have to multiply with the first term. Since in the previous example problem only one term, so easily you can do the same. Here you want to do it two times because first you want to multiply with the x, next you want to multiply with minus 4. So minus 4 into 2x plus 3. So x into 2x. X, if you want you write one more term, children. So x into 2x. What is the symbol next there? Plus. Plus x into 3, right? X into 3. X into 3. If you want, we can put a bracket, then it will be looking good. Okay. Next, minus 4 into 2x. 4 into 2x. 4 into 2x. What is the symbol there? Plus. So, plus 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Okay. Next, x plus 2x. So, 1 into 2, 2. X into x, x square. X into x, x square. Plus x into 3, 3x. X into 3, 3x. Minus 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8. X, 8x. Then plus 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So look at here, children. This is minus 4, right? Minus 4. So here, not plus. Okay, this is minus. This is minus 4. Look at here. We are multiplying with this minus 4, right? So this is minus 4 into 3. So 4 3s are 12. Minus into plus, plus positive 3, right? So minus into plus, minus. So minus 12. Minus 12. So whether any x square term is there? No, there is no x square term. So write 2x square. The next term add it and write plus 3x and minus 8x. Plus 3x and minus. So different symbol. So subtraction. 8 minus 3, 5. So minus 5. 8 is greater number. So minus 5x. Then when any other constant term is there? No. This is the answer. Okay, children. So here you have to multiply with each term. So you can take separately and write it down, or directly you can write from this term itself you can write the answer. From this term itself you can write the answer directly, or else you can write one more step. It's your wish. Okay, children. Next you are going to multiply binomial by a trinomial. You are going to multiply a binomial by a trinomial. So binomial means 2 terms, trinomial means 3 terms. So a plus 7. You're going to multiply with a square plus 3a plus 5. So here also you will multiply with a. First you will multiply a with this term. Next 7. Look at here. A into a square plus 3a plus 5. Then plus 7 into the term. Then a into a square. A into a square. A cube, right? A cube plus a into 3a. 3a square. 2a means how you will write 3a square. Addition means only you will write a plus 2a. So addition you will write it as 3a. So when you are writing a into 2a, multiplication means here no coefficient, right? So it means 1. A means coefficient is 1. So 1 into 2, 2. Next a into a square. Okay, is it clear? So here a into 3a, 3a square plus 5a plus a into 5, 5a plus 7a square plus 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21, right? 21a plus 7 threes are 35. Then add all the, whether any a cube term is there, no. So write a cube plus a square term, it's 7 plus 3, 10a square plus 21 plus 5. 21 plus 5. Write it down. 21 plus 5, 26a plus 35. No other constant terms, so just write it down. Is it clear, children? So everywhere you are following the same method only. When it comes to monomial means only one term, easy calculation. Binomial means 2 terms. Then trinomial, how we are doing the binomial method, the same method only we will be continuing for trinomial and all other equations. Is it clear, children? Now next you are going to see the standard identities. So there are 3 standard identities. Just you want to just by heart this one. Okay, but since this you will be using in all the problems. So a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, how we are doing that one? This is identity 1. What is identity 1, children? A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. How you are calculating? If the question is a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a plus b, right? So, how you are doing? You want to get this answer, right? So, just see how we are doing the calculations part. So a plus b the whole square. So that means a plus b you are multiplying two terms, right? A plus b into a plus b. Okay. Now you have to apply the method what we have done there for multiplication. So you want to multiply this whole term with this term. So first you will do for a into a plus b into this term. Then the same way a into a square plus a into b plus b into a plus b into b square. So look at here, children. AB is equal to b. In multiplication, AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA. For example, you see if I am writing 2 into 4. 2 into 4 is equal to 4 into 2. Is it correct, children? Because 2 fours are 8. 4 twos are 8. The same concept only here. A into B is equal to B into A. So we can write it as A square plus AB plus BA means both are same, right? So BA is equal to AB. So AB plus AB means 2AB plus B square. So you have to keep in mind this term because this we will be applying in the problems. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here second identity is a minus b the whole square. So if you are multiplying a minus b and a minus b, you will be getting the answer a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the second identity. So there we have learned plus. So here we are using minus. So a minus b the whole square means in the place of 2ab you will be getting minus 2ab. Look at here. A into a square minus AB, then minus BA, then minus into minus plus B square. Now A square, both are minus symbol. So we'll add it and we'll put negative symbol, right? So minus 2AB plus B square. So this is the second identity. And third one, A square minus B square. So if you are multiplying A plus B and A minus B, you will be getting the answer a square minus b square. So a into a square minus a into b minus ab plus b into a plus ba plus into minus b square. So minus ab and plus ba. Ba means it is equal to ab, right? So plus and minus subtraction. So 1 minus 1 0. So these two terms get cancelled. What is the leftover? A square minus b square. So a square minus b square means you will be writing the formula a plus b into a minus b. So we have learned three identities. What is the first one, children? A plus b the whole square. This is the first identity. You have to keep in mind this one. Okay. A square plus 2ab plus b square. And second one, a minus b the whole square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the second identity. So what is the third one? Third one is a square. This is the third one, right? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So if you are getting the question, for example, you are getting the question 2 square minus 3 square. then what formula you will be applying? You will be applying this formula, the third identity. You will be applying the third identity. So you will have a practice work based on these identities. Okay. So if I am writing 2 square minus 3 square, then which identity you will be applying? You will be applying the third identity and you will be solving the problem. So you have to learn the three identities: a plus b the whole square, and a minus b the whole square, and a square minus b square. Is it clear, children? So please learn this identity. This identity you are going to apply in the exercise problems. Is it clear, children? Algebraic expression and identity means these are the topics which we have included in chapter 9. You are having these headings in chapter 9. So now you know about the identities and algebraic expressions. Okay, children, just go through the notes and just do and see the problems. If you have any doubt, you can text me in WhatsApp. Thank you, children. See you in the next session.